Most people think Earnin is free money before payday. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, Earnin can be incredibly useful for short-term emergencies, but many users still misunderstand how the app actually works, how repayment happens, and where hidden costs can quietly appear. Some people love it because they avoid overdraft fees and get quick cash. Others regret using it because they start depending on advances every single paycheck cycle. So before you download the app, there are a few things you need to know first. In this video, I'll give you an honest Earnin app review for 2026, explain how it works, who it's best for, and the biggest mistakes users need to avoid. Let's get straight into it. Earnin is designed to give users access to money they already earned before payday arrives. Let's say Alex works hourly shifts and gets paid every Friday. On Wednesday, he suddenly needs money for groceries and gas. Instead of waiting for payday, Earnin may allow him to access part of those earned wages early. The biggest advantage is speed. Eligible users can receive money quickly through lightning speed transfers, sometimes within minutes. But here's the problem. Fast transfers may come with optional fees, and many users ignore how often those small charges add up over time. Another important thing to understand is that Earnin usually works best for people with stable income and regular banking activity. For example, Jake receives direct deposits consistently every 2 weeks. That predictable income makes it easier for Earnin to verify earnings and approve advances. Now here's where it gets interesting. Earnin often focuses more on income consistency than traditional credit scores. That means even users with average or poor credit can sometimes qualify successfully. The app also uses a tipping system instead of mandatory interest charges. At first, this sounds great. But this is where most people fail. Some users keep adding optional tips and instant transfer fees without realizing they're paying more than expected over time. In a minute, I'll explain who should actually use Earnin and who should avoid it completely. Another thing people overlook is repayment timing. Once payday arrives, Earnin automatically withdraws the advance from your bank account. If your balance is already tight from bills or subscriptions, this can create another cash shortage immediately after payday. That's why Earnin works best for short-term emergencies, not regular monthly spending. If John only needs occasional help between paychecks, the app can be practical and convenient. But if someone constantly needs advances every week, the cycle becomes difficult to break. So, is Earnin still worth using in 2026? For people with stable income who need occasional emergency cash before payday, yes, it can still be one of the better options available. The app is fast, beginner-friendly, and easier to access than many traditional payday lenders. But users need to watch transfer fees, optional tips, and repayment timing carefully. If this honest Earnin review helped you understand the pros and cons before downloading the app, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below whether you think Earnin is still worth using in 2026.